Welcome to Avon Park Air Force Range. This 106,000-acre installation is operated primarily as a training facility for various combat needs, including bombing, gunnery, and various types of ground activities. All users of the installation must be aware of the hazards inherent to military use of Avon Park and follow all safety regulations. Generally, access for official use is permitted on much of the installation, with the exception of the impact areas. Access for recreational use is more restrictive. The area is divided into separate management units, so that the units bordering areas of military activities can be closed while others may be used for various activities, including public recreation. This creates a safety buffer between the military and other activities. The outdoor recreation map shows where areas may be open to the public. Outdoor recreation at Avon Park Air Force Range includes hiking, hunting, horseback riding, camping, canoeing, nature study, and fishing. However, unexploded ordnance may be found anywhere on the range. The purpose of this video is to increase your awareness of unexploded ordnance, commonly called UXOs. It is important that you be familiar with these items, know how to protect yourself, and know how to report unexploded ordnance that may be encountered. The ability to identify unexploded ordnance is the first step in ensuring your safety and the safety of your companions. Here are some of the more common ordnance items that may be encountered. Small arms ammunitions are quite common. They may be left behind by military units during training exercises or by hunters using the area for recreation. They may not look very dangerous. However, if subjected to fire or treated roughly, small arms ammunitions can cause serious injury. Smoke grenades can be found in some areas of Avon Park Air Force Range. A cocked firing pin usually activates them. This means the slightest movement could cause a smoke grenade to explode and cause injury. Submunitions can be anything from a bomblet to a grenade to a landmine. These items are dispensed from cluster bombs. If you find one, there is a good chance there are more in the area. Submunitions may vary in size and fusing. They are very difficult to see and very dangerous to approach. Projectiles are often called big bullets. These items can range from 1 to 16 inches in diameter and from 2 to 4 feet in length. Some are filled with high explosives and fused with extremely sensitive components. Projectiles are extremely dangerous. Flares are used to illuminate targets for nighttime operations. They are commonly dropped with parachutes, so they are often found in areas available to the public. Flares can range from 6 inches to several feet in length. The contents that are used to illuminate targets vary depending on the type of flare. However, no matter what the composition, the danger remains the same: fire. Flares can cause severe burns and even blindness. Rockets and missiles are used in a wide array of military activities. The possibility of encountering one during your outdoor activities is not high. These items are normally cylindrical in shape, with fins used for stabilization and guidance. The warhead can contain anything from fire-producing materials to high explosives. The propellant in rocket motors can cause severe burns. Rockets and missiles can be fused many different ways and be set off if you approach them, move them, or expose them to something as simple as a spark of static electricity from your hand. Bombs or fragments from detonated bombs are some of the most common items found on the Avon Park Air Force Range. 10 to 25-pound practice bombs are used on a regular basis. Bombs are extremely dangerous and can certainly kill anyone who disturbs them. Do not let the term practice bomb fool you. Practice bombs also contain components that have the capability to kill or cause serious injury. The fusing is extremely complex, and there are a great number of ways in which bombs can be rigged to detonate. The bottom line when it comes to unexploded ordnance is, do not touch. These items are intentionally designed to kill and destroy. Munitions experience does not make one an expert in munitions disposal. Do not disturb any item that appears suspicious. Should you encounter a UXO while here, your first concern is your safety and the safety of your companions. Mark any suspicious items so an explosive ordnance disposal team can locate them later. You can do this by flagging the area with brightly colored cloth or ribbons. Approach no closer than the point where you first observed the item. Ensure that your flags can be seen from a distance and in all directions. Locate your position on a map. This will ease the reporting process. Next, contact the Outdoor Recreation Office or Range Operations and report the location and description of the item. Encounters with unexploded ordnance in a recreation area are relatively rare, but it is possible. Remember to think safety first. Mark the location, report, and above all, do not touch.